Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a cell command today learn a cell command in CATIA. Okay, today CATIA lecture 29 is discussed here, and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, today discuss here cell command is very important in use in CATIA, and cell command is also a editing command. Okay, at first open a CATIA software interface. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface and use a cell command. Okay, this is a cell command and use a this body, and this body is a good looking here, and cell command is editing command, and this body is a good looking. Okay, at first cell command is used, and first is default inside thickness 1 mm. 1 mm is also default setting, and default outside thickness 0 mm, and increase size and decrease thickness is increase and decrease also. Okay, face to remove, and other thickness is face to. Okay, at first this face is removed. Okay, this face is a select here and face to remove, and thickness is 1 mm. Okay, default value setting here. This is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and cell command is used a color is a this is a color. Okay, this is a color, and also size is a increase, and this outside thickness is also increase 1 by 1. Okay, this is a 0, and this is a okay, this is a thickness is a 2 mm, and also this is a thickness is 3 mm, thickness is 5 mm, and you can see here this is a thickness is 5 mm. Okay, and this is a outside is a okay, this is a outside is a 3 mm. Okay, this is okay, this is a correct. Outside is also increase, and this is a inside is also increase, or this is a perfect body, and this body is color is change, and color is a okay, this is a this color, and this is a color is a pink is okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a color is a change, and this is a blue color. Okay, this is a perfect body. Okay, and this color is also change here, and this is a okay, this is a perfect body is perfect. Okay, and thickness is a 3 is, and this is a 2, and this is a 3 is correct. Okay, this is a good looking here. Okay, and cell command is very important, and this is a very important command. Okay, guys, next lecture is coming soon, and today cell command is discussed here, and cell command is very important, and cell command is very important, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.